Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacks channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials how to do the autofill on the Google Sheets by iOS or iPhone. So sometimes we use the autofill to fill the column, whether we want to add a number continuous in a continuous way or a date in a continuous way. So here I want to give a tutorial for a date. So please input the date on one column like this. So I want to make the date continue on the next column, so just drag it until the several column that you want to, and then you just need to simply click the active column that we already click and then click the autofill, and now the column is already filled with the continuous number or continuous date from the previous day. So that's all for today's tutorials. I hope it's helped you much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel. Bye bye.